So I'm here with Lydia and Edgar from Black Sheep Farms, and we're gonna pick figs. I don't know much about figs, that they're just in a cookie called Fig Newtons. But when I met Lydia, I started tasting all these new vegetables and fruits from her farm. So today we're gonna pick figs, and I'm gonna make two quick, less than 5-minute salads. So tell me about how to pick figs.
Okay, so obviously the fig tree, and then if you see here, these figs aren't ready, they're too small, they're green, but we see in here, these aren't ripe, but if we come in here, we'll find something like this.
Oh wow.
Nice and soft.
Okay.
Compared, these are kind of like rock hard.
Yes. Okay, and then, so I always pick too soft, and it seems too mushy, so is it to be this?
Well, it depends. We'll pick them like this because we need to take them out to market, and it's going to be crazy hot these couple of days.
Yeah.
So they'll continue to ripen as they're sitting around for a day or so.
And then when I buy them from you, do I keep them on the counter, in the refrigerator?
I refrigerate them. I like my figs nice and chilled.
Okay, that's good to know, because I never know what to do.
Over here, right here. There's a nice fig right there.
This is a great size.
Yeah, that's.
So you just cut. My first day as a farmer.
Oh, there you go. You got it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna pick a few more, and then I'm gonna show you how to make a salad. I'm in this lovely fig farm area, and I'm going to make the easiest two salads, and you're gonna get your figs this Saturday at Black Sheep Farms. So this is called a fig caprese salad. I'm gonna use green, arugula, and I know that we can get that at the farmer's market. And I'm just gonna plate it. This is, I mean, you can't get any simpler than this, everybody. And everything that I'm doing, you can get at the farmer's market on Saturday, Orange Homegrown, in front of the Chapman Film Studio, and we're open 8:30 to 1 o'clock. So Lydia and I just picked, well, she mostly picked the figs. And which one is this called?
Green Cadota.
What?
Green
Cadota.
Cadota.
Cadota. So I just massacred that name. And then I know this one, Mission.
Yes.
And both are beautiful. And she told us how to pick them. So I'm just going to slice. Now, I can just slice. There's no, just get rid of the stem, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna slice, excuse me. Okay, people, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love figs so much. And I'm gonna cut it in quarters, like this. And all you're doing, basically, is just plating and making it beautiful, because this is, like I said, simple, and the flavors will be all there. So I'm gonna use probably 4 figs. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's already pretty. Put it on a really pretty plate, and then just put it everywhere. And I'm gonna try this one. Oh, this is pretty too. And I just love that it has a sweet, kind of a savory taste to me in a way. You could put this on pizza, get the flatbread from OC Baking, smear some cheese, goat cheese, mozzarella, anything you want. There is no wrong way. And then place these figs, put the arugula on top, and then drizzle with balsamic and olive oil. Then we're going to add mozzarella balls. And this is where the caprese comes in. So we're just gonna place this. You could use burrata, and you can use sliced mozzarella and just slice it up. You could use goat cheese, it doesn't matter. It's whatever you like. Look how, oh my gosh, it looks really pretty right now. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to add is basil. I love basil on everything. I like to make pesto. I love to make tomato sandwiches. I know that Lydia and Edgar have great heirloom tomatoes, and I put it on that squaw bread from OC Baking, lather it with mayo. I know there's some mayo haters there. It's okay, just try it. Slice the tomatoes, and then just put these leaves, and then drizzle with Terrace Hill olive oil. It's one of the best sandwiches you'll ever taste. So now I'm going to chiffonade, and that's just a fancy word for rolling this up like a cigar, like this. Can you see that, Lydia?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm just going to do thin slices. That's all. Okay, I made this salad less than 5 minutes. And then you're just going to do this. And then you're going to take Terrace Hill olive oil, which we sell at the market. Frank and Shannon do one of the best olive oils I've ever tasted. And then all you're going to do is drizzle, just like this. Okay? And then you could put sea salt or kosher. I only really work with kosher, and some pepper. And that's your first salad. So easy, so delicious. It could be a main course, side dish, whatever. But all these things you can get at Orange Homegrown Farmers Market, and that's it. So now the second salad. I did the first one under 5, and this one's under 5. I mean, simple is the best way. Nobody has time. And so when you're on a rush, I know everybody's at home, but when you're in a rush and you don't want to cook all day long, these salads or any dishes, simple is the best. It's about using the best ingredients, and I always do, because I get all my things from Orange Homegrown, and I tell you, it does make a difference. So today we're going to make a raspberry and fig salad. And simple like the first one, but this time instead of just olive oil, I'm going to make a lemon thyme dressing. So I'm going to juice a lemon. I need 2 tablespoons. And this is the best way. If you could buy this little contraption, really, it's the best way to get all the maximum juice out of a lemon. So there's one. I think I can get out of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons. That's all I need. Oh, okay, so there's 2 tablespoons of lemon, and there is a seed. There we go. And then we're going to add, I'm going to look at my recipe real quick. We're going to add some thyme. And I think fresh thyme is the best. When you have dry thyme, you have to use more. But with fresh, oh, it smells so good. So what you do is you get the stem, and then, oops, didn't work, hold on. You just push down and you get your leaves. That's all you want. You don't want the stems. So just push down. And we need about 2 teaspoons of that. And like I said, just kind of do that. And it makes a difference. Try not to use the dry in this dressing. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep doing that. So I'm gonna take almond or pecans. If you don't like pecans, you can do almonds. You can do whatever you want, just not peanuts. I don't think that would be good. We're gonna sprinkle that. And then the star are these figs again. So let's do these figs, quarter them again. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. And then just layer it. And then all we do is that. And then all we do next is this vinaigrette we made. It's lemony, and we're just going to drizzle that. It doesn't need to be heavy. I don't like salads. Sometimes I do, like a Cobb salad I like heavy with the ranch. But then all you do is just drizzle that, and there you go. 2 salads, less than 10 minutes, using figs. Different approach, one with lemon thyme, one with just Terrace Hill olive oil, salt, pepper, and that's it. You've got a full meal. So I want to thank Edgar and Lydia for letting me come to their fig farm, and I appreciate it. Let's get cooking. I miss all of you guys, so next time I'll be making something different. Talk to you later.